Now, this is the question that people have been asking, that how can they identify GMO food and the original food? Even early this morning, somebody sent me a message asking how can they identify the organic food and GMO food. And in this video, I'll be showing you to you. But I'll be using someone else's video to show you. Please don't forget to follow, like, share this video. And please don't forget to follow me on my YouTube channel. I'll be posting more about GMO information on my YouTube channel. Because recently, when I post them here on TikTok, it's been taken down, which I don't know. I think the reason is to silence us from Bill Gates' agenda on Africa. So if you want to see more about the GMO information, follow my YouTube channel. How can you follow my YouTube channel? Go to my bio, you see a link, YouTube link there. Just click on the link, it will redirect you to my channel. And I'll still drop it on the comment section. So how can we identify GMO fruit and food? Let's dive into it.
One of these pieces of ginger is organic. The other, genetically modified. Can you tell the difference? What about with these limes? All these avocados. Can you tell the difference? Most people can't, but today you will. Over 70% of foods in the UK and in the US contain GMOs. So why can't we just look at a fruit and know what it is? These days, finding organic, non-GMO, seeded produce is like an Olympic sport. Juicy, ripe, sweet, and seeded. It almost seems a lot easier to find a needle in a haystack. Why is nearly every fruit seedless, rubbery, and tasteless? Like, literally why? I would go food shopping thinking I've done my big one, only to find that womp womp, the fruit is fake and it has no seeds. Like, what is actually going on with the fake produce of today? It's literally getting more and more shocking. But don't worry, you don't have to find out the hard way like me. I'm going to teach you so you don't get finessed. The term GMO literally refers to genetically modified organisms. In this case, fruits. It can be really hard to spot when foods have been genetically modified because they look so close to the real thing. Take watermelons, for example. Have you ever found that whenever you go for the least perfect looking one, you know, the ones that aren't perfectly round, the ones that aren't as shiny, the ones that are more dull, the ones that have more webbing, the ones with the biggest yellow spot, these are always the sweetest and juiciest ones. But when you go for the ones that are sold to us at our popular local supermarkets, the ones that are perfectly round and shiny, those are the ones that are most bland and have the worst taste. And do you know why? Because they most likely have been genetically modified. But anyway, let's take it back to the genesis of it all, literally. In Genesis 1:29, it says, "Then God said, look, I have given you every seed-bearing plant throughout the earth and every fruit tree for your food." Emphasis on the seed-bearing part of that scripture, okay? If the fruit doesn't have seeds in it, I do not want it. As for watermelons, black seeds to be precise. If I cut open a fruit and I don't see some seeds falling out, there's a problem. If I bite into a fruit and I'm not spitting out seeds every few seconds, there is a problem. Seeded fruits are nature's original plan for our bodies to thrive. I believe so anyway. For me, the seeds indicate to me that it was made by nature, and the seedless indicates to me that it was made by man. Probably in a lab. I want the former. So to reiterate, when it comes to watermelons, make sure you're eating the black seeded watermelons. The seedless or the white seeded watermelons are a no-go. Next up, ginger. I bet you did not see this one coming. Yes, there are genetically modified ginger, and you've probably been unknowingly consuming them for years. I was. GMO ginger is often dull in color, has less branches, and is oftentimes bigger than nature's ginger. Side by side, you might not be able to see a huge difference, but stay with me. Nature's ginger always tends to be smaller in size, a lot richer in color, and even more rich in taste. Remember when I said the less perfect produce tend to lean on the more nature side? Yeah, nature's ginger comes in different shapes, different sizes, often small, and with lots of different awkward but useful branches, compared to GMO's ginger, which is a little more perfect, huge compared to its counterpart, and with little to no branches. Always go for the tiny and rich ginger on the left-hand side. Trust me, nature always knows best, and your body will thank you later. Moving on to avocados. This time, the less perfect, surprisingly, isn't nature. If you're Jamaican, you're probably familiar with the smoother looking, greener avocados, and you probably refer to them as pears back home. These avocados are the real deal. They taste better, they are bigger in size, smoother in texture, inside and out, and they come